Hello folks! Let's make today pistachio cookies with jam filling. Very easy idea and awesome design. I use my colorful sugar cookie recipe, but you can turn any of your own. Replace about 1 tablespoon of flour with ground pistachio. Mix it and follow your recipe. If you want to make your cookie brighter, add 1-2 drops of food color gel to your dough. Now take ice spoon and roll the balls. Cover balls with sugar. Put them to the baking pan, but don't forget to leave space between them. Take a glass and press the ball. Push until the dough reached glass edge. In this way, all cookies will have one size. Take teaspoon and press its handle to create a heart. Each heart requires 4 motions in different directions, but if you do the whole pan, it will be time saving and easy. Now take a jam and fill all hearts. Usually it takes about 1 teaspoon for each heart. Bake according to the recipe. After baking, let cookies cool down and enjoy bright, crispy pistachio cookies with berry fillings. Very awesome present for Valentine's Day.